Here he comes. That thing's on fire. Whoa! 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 Hey guys, how's it going? Today we are doing some off-roading. So what we're gonna do is turn this truck into a cardboard fort tank, and then we're gonna take it off-roading. And Chris is in here just driving me along. This is really sketchy. We're going pretty fast. This is dangerous, man. Okay. Oh my, this is not easy staying on, folks. So we're gonna be using PVC pipe to build the frame here. We got some pipe fittings, and then we also got spray paint. So yeah, once we build the frame, then we're gonna put cardboard over it to form the tank. And then once it's all done, then we're gonna off-road it and do some crazy stuff. Sound good? Jeff, don't do that. Don't do that. So we're actually going to be entering the tank through the window. So yeah, we'll have like a hatch. Yeah, we're going to make a hatch right here, and then we'll get into the tank through the window. That's Mother Nature trying to distract you from this video. Stay strong, my friends. So we got the frame finished finally. So here's the bottom part. Here's the new top part that you haven't seen yet. So now we gotta put cardboard all around it. It's so windy. Cardboard's almost done on this side. We gotta finish the rest of the truck. This is gonna take forever. This is taking a long time. So yeah, like this video for our efforts, okay? We're not even done yet. This is gonna take forever to finish. Ah! What's that? What are you, a goat? Ah! Guys, we're struggling. It's struggle busing. It's super windy. Struggle busing. We're frustrated. We're tired. We're tired. Such a bad idea. Dude, it's not even, look at the hood. It's not even staying on. It just keeps flopping everywhere. Just gotta keep trying. It looks pretty cool so far. We just gotta close all the gaps. The wind's blowing it apart! No! Chris, get it! Get it, Chris! I'm blowing on. Get it! Oh, dude, no. It's so windy. Wait, did you? What happened? It just flipped it off. Did it rip through? No, it didn't rip anything. It just pulled the pipe off. Over there too. Over there too. Oh, because this wind is making this 75 times more difficult. Guys, it's not supposed to do this. Oh no! Don't fly off, please. Don't. Guys, it looks funky now, but we're gonna finish this, whether the wind wants. We're finishing this no matter what. Whether the wind wants us to or not, we're finishing. We need to turn this truck around, so that way the wind is the way we designed it to go over. Right. Not flip everything. Stay. Alright. This is the first test, guys. Oh no. Okay, well I'm gonna try and get out of this thing. Should I bring the chips? Here. Take the chips. I'm stuck in here. Chris, you failed. I don't know how to get out of this. By putting your feet out first the other way, oh, Chris, you're stuck, dude. I'm literally stuck. You're the worst. My legs are too long. Why are you putting your leg? Oh, maybe yes, like that. Yes. Why are you going under this? I'm stuck. Chris, you're the worst. Oh. Do you know anything about anything? No. It's raining. It's raining. We were almost done. I'm sure it's fine. No, it's gonna fall apart. It's gonna. No. It's gonna blow up. No. Jeff, what do we do? No. Jeff. Jeff, tell me.
I'm trapped in here. I'm helpless.
What do we do?
Well, we can't do anything. I'm gonna take it.
Wait, I'm stuck out here in the cold. Oh no. Jeff, take the camera. Take the camera.
Good. Apparently this was the worst day to do this. Our tank is getting rained on. Cardboard plus water probably isn't the best. But we're almost done. So you know what? We're probably hopefully this rain passes over pretty soon. So yeah, it's pretty bad. I would say so.
Okay down here. Don't worry about me.
Don't worry, I wasn't worried.
I have a headache. We want to mount a gun on there. We don't have enough time, so we'll have to save that for another video. But right now, we actually have to cut open a flap over here so we can get in. So hopefully this works. I have no idea what to expect. But I'm just gonna cut it. Okay, we're gonna tape this, but that's about it. Bend that over.
We've mainly been using zip ties to get this thing on.
Yeah, zip ties are way better than tape.
We almost came with only tape without zip ties.
Yeah.
That would have not worked.
This would have not happened.
Just like,
yeah, just dive in.
You're gonna break the pipe though. Just gotta get your foot up. Ah!
Dude, I'm surprised you're that flexible.
Then you stick your head in.
This is hilarious. How did you do that? How did you do that? He made it. He made it without breaking it.
Yeah, it wasn't easy.
Sorry for this prolonged butt shot.
I'm trying to grab my phone that you dropped.
Ah! How am I gonna do that, dude?
GL and HF, bro.
Very cold, but we finished the tank. There's a little slip for the opening so we can see. What? A slip for the opening? What? I don't know. Okay, anyways. And then this is the other side of the tank back here. And here's the back. So normally you would have someone standing there manning the gun. I think we should put a potato launcher up there. What do you think, Jeff?
Yeah.
Potato launcher?
Give this video a like, and if we get enough likes, we will make this a potato gun tank. Okay?
Yeah, that's the tank. Let's go ahead and jump in and take off and see if it doesn't self-destruct.
Oh no.
Lift my leg up. Lift my leg up.
I can't with the camera in my hand.
Yeah, you can. There we go. There we go.
You did.
Closing the hatch.
Dude, this is awesome.
It won't close.
This is sketchy. Oh, it's doing. It's working. It's working, dude. Oh my. Alright guys, so this thing is awesome. Make sure you guys leave a like. If you guys want us to put a cannon on top, we'll do a potato gun launcher in our next video. But we're gonna do some awesome off-roading right now with this thing, so let's go.
Still all together?
Yeah, dude, that thing flew off at all.
Oh my gosh, this thing's holding up really well.
Yeah, it actually looks super cool, like when you're zooming off.
That's sick. Dude, I still have a headache though. You want to hop in, Jeff?
Let me hop on the back.
Okay, yeah. Do that.
I don't know how I'm gonna get up here though by myself. Oh no! It's okay. Guys, it's starting to rain again. Oh no, it's raining. Hopefully lightning doesn't strike us, but you know, I think we would last. We'd be okay in our you know, cardboard tank here.
It's raining!
I know, dude. Okay, I'm gonna get under
our flaps while he goes. Dude, it's starting to rain. Dude, it's really starting to rain. Oh, I'm getting dust in my eyes. Oh, dust in my eyes. Oh my. Oh no. Okay, well, this is interesting, guys. Our tank seems to be holding up. Nothing has flown off the back yet. It looks like the rain has slowed down a bit, which is very fortunate for us, so we can actually get some more footage. Have you guys ever seen a tank do donuts? Oh no. I'm impressed you can do that by yourself. I couldn't get my leg all the way up. Oh. Just driving now. Whoa! This is why I want a truck. We got a little dip here. A little dippy dip. Oh! Oh no, it's falling apart! It's falling apart! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh, oh my god. Footage of this thing falling apart. I'm gonna get out. Oh. A piece of cardboard fell off. Oh no. Oh, here he comes. Oh no. Here he comes. Let me go. Whoa! 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 Oh! Oh! The whole thing just flew off. Literally, the whole thing just flew off this car. Oh no! Oh my Lanta. Well, that's how you go from a tank to a truck in about 5 seconds. This whole thing, all of our hard work, spent like 8 hours doing this. It just flew off. So, I don't know, dude. Now it's time for cleanup. The worst time of it all. How you feeling, Chris? Plebby. So clearly our tank is completely smashed into a pile of rubble now. Pretty saddening, but we are going to be keeping the pipes and then building the tank again in the future. And next time we're going to add a potato gun on top. Giant cannon. It's gonna be it'll be a big cannon. It'll look like an actual tank cannon, so it'll be awesome. Also, I wanted to mention we are for sure going to be cleaning all this stuff up. So if you guys ever do anything crazy like this, I don't know why you would, make sure you guys clean it up. You don't want to leave your environment trapped. Exactly. So we are going to see you later. Peace out. Peace out.